Once upon a time, in a little village, there lived an honest and hard-working rabbit named Oliver. Oliver was not like any other rabbit. He had a keen business sense and a dream of running his own shop. Oliver saved every penny he earned from odd jobs around the village. After years of saving, Oliver finally opened a small shop at the edge of the village. His shop was filled with the most delicious carrots and other fresh fruits that he grew in his own garden. The villagers soon discovered Oliver's shop and were amazed by the quality of his products and his honest prices. Word spread quickly about Oliver's shop, and soon animals from neighboring villages would come to buy from him. Despite his success, Oliver remained humble and true to his values. He treated every customer with kindness and fairness, earning him a reputation as the most trustworthy shopkeeper in the area. One day, a fox tried to trick Oliver by paying with fake coins. But Oliver, with his sharp eye for details, caught the fox in the act. Instead of getting angry, Oliver patiently explained to the fox the importance of honesty and integrity in business. The fox was so moved by Oliver's words that he became a loyal customer and spread the story of Oliver's honesty far and wide.